FedEx, the world's largest cargo airline, trimmed the top range of its full-year profit forecast, citing the strong dollar. The company is often considered a barometer of economic activity simply because the better the economy, the more goods that are shipped. Shares dropped more than 1% on the weak outlook. But as Morgan Brennan tells us, the report may be better than it looks.
Santa was good to FedEx. The parcel carrier's earnings for the peak holiday season soared more than 50%. Trouncing analysts' expectations. Lower fuel costs, relatively mild weather, and an ongoing restructuring within the Air Express segment all contributed to the strong results. But analysts say the biggest takeaway is that package volumes continue to grow.
E-commerce continues to grow worldwide, as well as domestic air freight is starting to grow. A very positive outlook on the overall economy.
4% more packages were delivered via FedEx domestic express shipping. Ground volumes jumped 7%. On the earnings call, company executives said this was likely the best Christmas peak ever in terms of service for customers. But it wasn't all good news for the shipping giant. Revenue fell short of expectations as fuel surcharges for customers were adjusted lower, and the stronger dollar created a currency headwind. Sending shares lower today, the company also tightened its full-year guidance to a forecast that fell short of Wall Street expectations. Still, analysts remain bullish on the stock, especially in light of strong profit growth.
We continue to be very positive about FedEx, despite the drop in price today. It's just a minor adjustment. This is a company that's on pace to grow earnings by 30+% this year. Should be able to grow another 20-something+% next year. Yet it's selling for an at to slightly below market multiple. I don't know anywhere else in the big cap land that I can find 20% earnings growth on top of 30% earnings growth and pay a market or below market multiple for it.
Backlogs at the West Coast ports continue to translate into more freight coming across the Pacific into the United States via FedEx. Now that the holidays are out of the way, experts are keeping an eye on oil and whether it will continue to boost earnings. Also, the success of dimensional weight pricing, a new size plus weight price structure for ground packages that rolled out in January. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Morgan Brennan.